couple of months now, so we're still organizing, but I thought you might be interested in the Harbor Freight toolbox that everybody knows. It's the cheap one. And I just added some stuff on to the lid. I put their bins on here. I put the magnetic strip up top. It'll hold some of the tools I use most often. Mounted the paper towels. Stick my magnets on here. In my other shop, I used to have the fender cover onto the lid on the opposite side because I had access. It wasn't up against the wall like it is now. That's really about it. Well, I put a tube on here for the hammer. Okay, thanks for watching.